Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling Linux on your Chromebook because it gives you full control to install alternative browsers. Open Settings, go to Developers, and turn on Linux. This creates a container. Once done, update the container with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade so libraries match. Make sure you have about 6 GB free, otherwise the install will fail. Now choose the browser you want, Firefox for standards or Chromium builds for compatibility, and get its Debian package or Flatpak ready. Now install the browser inside the Linux container. If you picked Firefox, run sudo apt install Firefox Y for a debu sudo dpkgi file name. Deb and fix dependencies with sudo apt-f install. If you prefer Flatpak, add flathub, then Flatpak install flathub.org. Mozilla. Firefox. Once installed, create a desktop launcher by right-clicking the Linux apps folder or drag the icon to the shelf. Make sure the container is running when you launch the app. Otherwise, Chrome OS won't show the app immediately. Finish by testing sites and enabling necessary permissions for camera, microphone, and file access in Settings Linux. If the browser fails to start, open the Linux terminal and run the browser from command line to read error messages. Check journal or dependency errors and reinstall packages if needed. Make sure to back up your profile folder and keep the container updated with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. If extensions misbehave, disable them and re-enable one at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.